Welcome everyone. I'm so excited to share with you the brand new Math Alive Zookeeper 8.0 edition. This edition includes all you know and love about Math Alive, the games and activities, as well as 2 brand new modules and access to all of the lesson plan booklets that you see here. So let's dive in and take a look at our new modules. The first one being Number Playground.
Number Playground is an open, creative space where your kids can manipulate number cards and the newly added video card in the Math Alive deck. They can see animals and numbers spring to life for a multitude of activities. Whether you're working on number recognition, counting, or even ordering numbers, there's something for everyone in Number Playground. We've also added a brand new Create Your Own card that you can use with dry erase markers to do activities like greater than and less than. And the new Let's Count to 100 card pops up an interactive digital hundreds chart that your kids can manipulate in many ways, whether it's counting by ones or skip counting. Kids can see animals on the hundreds chart as well as numbers. And by placing down cards, you can work on counting to match.
As you can see, your kids are going to absolutely love Number Playground, where they get to be creative with the way that they learn numbers and number sense. Let's take a look at the second new module now, Building Number Sentences, where kids can work on addition, subtraction, and missing number sentences.
Building Number Sentences allows kids to use the number cards and newly added symbol cards to see and hear math equations come to life with positive affirmation on a correct answer.
Good job! 3 X-ray fish plus 2 roosters equals 5 animals.
Math Alive Zookeeper 8.0 also includes double-digit number cards and 2 of each card, so you can build equations and learn about numbers up to 20 with the new card deck. Math Alive Subtraction also brings in that same visual and auditory excitement for whole brain learning into building number sentences.
Super awesome! 3 seals minus 2 seals equals 1 seal.
And last but not least, the missing number activity prompts students with either addition or subtraction problems that are missing a number and allows them to find the correct card to put in place to solve the equation and make it correct.
4 plus 0 equals 4.
So those are just a few of the awesome new features in Math Alive Zookeeper Edition 8.0. My students love it. I know yours are going to love it too.